So this is the first experiment of networking lab, basic networking command line tools. So I'll be executing the first command, that is the IP address. So syntax is IP config, and as you can see, it displays the IP address details of the current node. Move on to the second command. This is the IP address for all, that is the syntax is ipconfig / all. So now what this command has done is it has displayed the IP details thoroughly, all the important details. In fact, everything is here. We have wireless and Wi-Fi. Move on to the third command. This is to find the host name. Syntax is host name and center, and here we have the output. Fourth one is the MAC address. Now this will display the details of our MAC address, and the syntax is get MAC. Here we have it, the physical address, the transport name. And the next command is netstat. Now this is displaying the number of active connections. We'll give it time. So as you can see, it's also telling us the state of the local address. And there we have it. Now the next command would be netstat /s, and this will display the statistics about the packets. And there we have it. We have the IPv4 statistics, IPv6, the TCP statistics for both, and the UDP as well. The two different types of protocols. Move on to the next command. Netstat -c is the syntax, and now this will display the BIOS cache table of the node. And yeah, as you can see, I made this mistake of netstat. Instead, I should be typing nbtstat -c. There, and since I have no names in my cache, it displays out here. Move on to the next command, which is nbtstat -r. Now what this does is it's displaying the broadcast communication details, the NetBIOS names, resolution, and registration statistics. Move on to the next command. nbtstat -n is the syntax, and this displays the registered users on the node. So we have our Wi-Fi, which is actually showing some names in cache. Next command is the route print. Syntax is route space print, and this will display our local routing table. So as you can see, we have the IPv4 route table and IPv6 as well. Now this is divided into active routes and persistent routes. As you can see, both the IPv4 and v6 have none of the persistent routes. Next command is the ARP-A, which will display our IP address to MAC address mapping. Let's go ahead and see. There we have it, internet address, physical address, and the type. Move on to the next command, pinging. So the syntax is ping space host name. I'll enter a system from the lab. So now as you can see, it is sending packets and it's receiving a reply with the bytes and the time. And the ping statistics, packets sent 4, received 4, 0% loss. The approximate round trip shows us the average speed. Move on to the next command, which is trace route. Syntax is trace RT. And we'll put the host name. So an example. Give it some time. So it's tracing the route over a maximum of 30 hops. And here we have our trace complete. Now the final command is the path ping. Syntax is path ping. To display the path statistics for the packets, we'll give the host name. Let's give it time. After this, it will begin computing the statistics. Yeah, here it is. And about now. There we go. There the trace is complete, and this is the final command. And the experiment has been conducted. The output I have verified.